25th. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now here on this Tuesday morning, and another chilly one out there this morning.
Yes, we are looking at temperatures in the 20s, although it is a lot warmer than yesterday, still a bit cold. We also are seeing a few light snow showers still lingering this morning.
Yeah, it seems like we got about an inch overnight.
Yes, a couple of inches, about 1 to 3 we are ranging right now. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are still seeing snow showers here this morning. This is going to be the theme for the day. We are going to be seeing scattered snow showers throughout the day before it does clear out this evening and tonight. Now, our temperatures this morning are ranging in the teens to the 20s. We are mainly looking at the teens up north and in the mid-20s in the Mohawk Valley and south. So it is pretty warm, a start to the morning compared to the past couple of days. So we are going to continue to see light snow today. It is going to turn a little bit windy, so it may feel a lot colder than the actual temperature outside. We are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead, especially for tomorrow and for Thursday. Before today, some light snow showers do persist throughout the day. We do have a high near 30 with breezy conditions, and I will be talking more about when this snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks from the News Channel 2 Alert.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing light snow showers in the area. We are going to be seeing high temperatures today, near 30 though, so it is a lot warmer than yesterday. Let's take a look at that CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. As you can see, the lights aren't really shining as bright. We are experiencing some snow showers up here on top of Smith Hill. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing these snow showers kind of move through the area. This is all due to a low pressure system that is lingering over central New York right now. The snow does look to clear out later on this afternoon into the evening hours and into the overnight hours. We do look to remain dry for tomorrow and for Thursday. So here are some of our temperatures right now, a lot warmer than yesterday. We are ranging in the teens to low 20s. We have 17 degrees up in Big Moose, 13 degrees in Lowville, and 20 degrees in Rome, Whitesboro, and Westmoreland. So we are pretty warm to start out this morning. Going down south, even warmer, we have 25 degrees in Schenevus and in Hamilton. So it is not going to feel as cold as it has been the past couple of mornings. So we are definitely seeing some snow here this morning. Once again, only about 1 to 3 inches were expected, and that's what we have been getting so far. We are going to be drying out overnight tonight, and we will remain dry for tomorrow and for Thursday. We are expecting more widespread light snow to come into the area on Friday, and then we are closely watching the weekend as well. So here are the snowfall reports so far just from our sky watchers this morning. It is still early, so I only got 3 reports. We have 3 inches in Morris, 2 inches in Westdale, and 1.5 inches of Old Forge. Probably about another inch expected for the remainder of the day today. So we are still mostly cloudy for the day. We are going to continue to see scattered snow showers in the area all throughout the day. We finally look to clear out by later on this evening, kind of around dinner time, and we will see temperatures overnight drop pretty low, all below 0, because we are going to be clearing out from those clouds. Now, for tomorrow, it is going to be mostly sunny, but it is going to be pretty chilly. We are only looking at high temperatures in the low teens. Now, for today, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies, a few scattered snow showers still lingering throughout the day, and a high near 30, so it is going to be a lot warmer today. We are also going to be dealing with some wind chill temperatures, so it may feel a little bit colder than the actual temperature today. Overnight tonight, the wind does calm down a little bit, and we all drop below 0 for the low temperature for tonight. So for tomorrow, it is going to be pretty cold. We are only looking at high temperatures in the low teens with mostly sunny skies. Same thing for Thursday. We are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies. It does warm up a little bit with a high in the low 20s. We are looking at some more widespread light snow to return on Friday, and we are closely tracking a coastal storm off the coast for Saturday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. There are some dicey conditions out on the roadways across our viewing area this morning. This video was taken just this morning on Genesee Street here in Utica. What a beautiful sight that is. You'll want to make sure to give the snowplow drivers plenty of room so they can get the roads cleared. Maybe plan to leave for work a little earlier this morning and be prepared for any delays in your morning commute. As always, be mindful of others on the roadways. Three fatal snowmobile crash.
We're saying good morning to Whitesboro and all of the greater Utica region. We are still seeing some snow here this morning, but the chance of snow drops down to low by this evening. We are looking at around dinner time. The snow kind of starts to clear up. We are going to be dry overnight and for tomorrow and Thursday before some more light widespread snow, kind of just like today, does return for Friday. Now we are closely tracking a nor'easter on Saturday. It is just off the coast right now on the one model. It is showing that we are not going to be receiving any snow from this, but on the other model, it is showing that we could be seeing just some light snowfall from this. Right now, we are missing the heaviest of the snow associated with this, but as always, this could always change, so we are closely keeping an eye out on that. Now for this morning, temperatures are in the low 20s to upper teens. We are still seeing light snowfall, so I'd be grabbing the large coffee. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Here's a story for you, Hannah, right here. How would you learn? It is Tuesday, January 25th. I'm Gary Libator. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our Tuesday, and definitely feels a little warmer this morning than yesterday.
Yes, definitely. We are seeing temperatures in the teens to low 20s, and yesterday was pretty cold. Even the past couple of days, waking up below zero is not ideal. I do not like that.
That's good for snowmaking.
Yeah,
How's
it is
that?
good for snowmaking, but I do not like it at all.
And we've seen a little snow this morning. So
Yes, we are seeing snow. We saw snow last night and this morning. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing a few light snow showers this morning, still moving through the area. It will be scattered throughout the day today before coming to an end this evening and tonight. Now, once again, we are pretty warm this morning in comparison to the past couple of days. Temperatures are in the upper teens to low 20s, so it is not going to feel as cold if you are walking outside. So we are going to be seeing light snow persist for today. It is going to turn a little windy as this low pressure system passes through us. And we also are going to be seeing colder weather ahead, especially for tomorrow and for Thursday. Now for today, we are seeing some light snow showers this morning. It does look to clear out by this evening and tonight, and temperatures are going to be near 30 for the high. And I will be talking a little bit more when this snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks for recapping our top story.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are still seeing some light snow showers moving through the area, and our temperatures are pretty warm this morning. We are looking at temperatures in the low 20s. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Those lights aren't nearly shining as bright because we are now seeing a few snow showers here on top of Smith Hill. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can see kind of the snow moving through our area, so it will be like this throughout the day. We will continue to see scattered light to moderate snow showers, but it is looking to end by this evening around dinner time and overnight tonight. This is all because a low pressure system is kind of lingering over our area right now, bringing in those snow showers from the west. Once again, this does look to clear out by this evening, but the wind is going to pick up today as this low pressure system does move through, so it is going to be a little bit breezy. Now, here are our temperatures this morning. We are ranging in the teens to the low 20s. We have 16 degrees in Lowville, 20 degrees in Rome, Westmoreland, and in Whitesboro. If we do go down to the south, a little bit warmer, 25 in Skenevis and in Hamilton. So it is a nice change up this morning from the cooler weather the past couple of days. We are waking up pretty warm this morning, feeling a lot better. We are going to be seeing a few snow showers more today. Once again, little accumulation is expected. We are drying out on Wednesday and on Thursday before some more widespread light snow does return on Friday. It's going to be very similar to the snow that we did see last night and that we are going to see today. I did get some snowfall reports from our sky watchers. We are ranging from 1 to 3 inches so far. So we have 3 inches in Morris and Evanston, 2 inches in Westdale and Glenmore, 1.5 inches in Old Forge, and 1 inch in New Hartford. Probably going to see an inch more of accumulation for the day today. So we are still seeing scattered snow showers in the area. Once again, this does look to clear out by around dinner time and tonight. we are going to be seeing those clouds clear out as well, allowing for our temperatures to drop near or below zero overnight tonight. Waking up tomorrow morning, it is going to be pretty cold, and it is going to remain pretty cold for the day tomorrow. We are only looking at high temperatures in the lower teens. But for today, we have a high near 30. We are going to be seeing light scattered snow showers throughout the day and breezy conditions. Overnight tonight, the wind will calm down a bit, and we will see temperatures drop below zero for the overnight low. So we are going to be seeing pretty cold weather tomorrow. It is going to be partly cloudy with highs in the low teens. Warming up a little bit on Thursday with a high in the low 20s, and we are tracking some more widespread light snow for Friday. We are also keeping a close eye on Saturday for some possible snow falling from a nor'easter. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. The Otsego County Chamber of Commerce has a
Welcome back. If you are heading outside this morning in the parking lot or the sidewalks, just be careful for some snowy spots. Also, some surfaces may be a little slick. Now, tomorrow it is going to be pretty icy if any snow accumulation doesn't get cleaned up today. We are dropping below zero for overnight lows tonight. So tomorrow, maybe seeing a few icy spots. Now, once again, we are seeing just a few inches of accumulation for today. We are drying out tomorrow and Thursday, and widespread light snow does return for the day on Friday. Now, we are gaining about 40 minutes of daylight from now to the next month. So here's what it looks like today. Our sunrise rises at 7:22 a.m. Next week it will be 7:16, so we are getting a lot more daylight gaining. 2 weeks 7:07, and then 1 month it will rise at 6:43 a.m. So there is some good news. We are going to be gaining about 40 minutes of daylight in the morning within the next month. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
And Hannah and I both big fans of This Is Us and tonight's fifth. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us now to help us all plan our Tuesday ahead. And again, we are waking up a little warmer than yesterday, that's for sure.
Yes, we are looking at temperatures now in the upper teens to low 20s, so it is feeling a lot better than the past couple days. I do not like waking up when it's below zero. It's awful.
I know those ski resorts love the cold weather to make that snow, though.
Yes, but it is too cold for me. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing a few light snow showers in the area. We will continue to see scattered snow showers throughout the day, and it does look to come to an end this evening. Once again, our temperatures are pretty warmer this morning. We are looking at temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s, even the mid 20s down south. So it is feeling a lot better. We are going to continue to see light snow showers today. It is going to turn a little bit windy as this low pressure system passes through our area. And we are also going to be seeing colder weather ahead, especially for tomorrow and for Thursday. Before today, we have a high near 30. We will be seeing windy conditions pick up later on this morning, and we will be seeing some scattered light snow showers throughout the day before they come to an end this evening. I will be talking a little bit more about how much snow we got coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks from the News Channel 2 Alert.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing some light snow showers in the area, but it is pretty warm outside with our temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera. Those lights overlooking the city of Utica are not shining as brightly because we are seeing a few snow showers up here on top of Smith Hill. On the Yorkville and Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we do see a few snow showers still kind of lingering in the area. A lot of it is moving off to the east here this morning. We will continue to see scattered snow showers throughout the day before it comes to an end this evening. This is all because there is a low pressure system kind of lingering over central New York right now. This is bringing in some snow into the area. It will also bring a kind of a breeze later on in the day, so it is going to get a little bit windy as this low pressure system does pass through. And once again, the snow is looking to end this evening and tonight. Here are some Skywatch reports that we got from this morning. Once again, kind of ranging in the teens to the 20s. We have 15 degrees in Inlet, 19 degrees in Old Forge, 24 degrees in New Hartford, and 21 degrees in Clinton. And if we do go down south, we have 24 in Cooperstown and in West Lawrence, 23 in Milford. So a pretty warm start to the morning in comparison to waking up below zero, feeling a lot better this morning. So we are going to continue to see a few scattered snow showers throughout the day today. Probably an inch more of accumulation is expected. It is going to be drying out tonight for tomorrow, and it will remain dry on Thursday. More widespread light snow does look to come into the area on Friday, being very similar to this snowfall event that we did see overnight tonight. So here are some snowfall reports from our sky watchers. This is from right now. We have Morris and Evanston at 3 inches, as well as Cooperstown. Westdale and Glenmore at 2 inches, Old Forge at 1.5 inches, and New Hartford and Clinton at 1 inch of snow. So little accumulation did come from this snowfall event. We are going to continue to see scattered snow showers here throughout the day, and it does look to come to an end this evening. It will clear out overnight, and overnight lows do look to drop all below zero, so it is going to be pretty cold when waking up tomorrow morning. Our high temperature tomorrow is only going to be in the low teens, so it is going to remain cold, but it will be partly cloudy. Now for today, we are seeing light snow showers still this morning, otherwise mostly cloudy conditions and a high near 30. We are also going to be seeing a breeze pick up from that low pressure system. Overnight tonight, the winds do calm down and we all look to get below zero for the low temperature. Now it is going to be pretty cold once again tomorrow. We do have highs just in the low teens and partly cloudy skies. Remaining partly cloudy on Thursday with the high in the low 20s. Light widespread snow does return on Friday, and it does get a little bit warmer, and we are closely tracking a nor'easter that is off the coast right now. We may be seeing some light snowfall from that, but it is too soon to tell. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. 3 fatal.
We're saying good morning to Whitesboro and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back. The chance of snow is dropping down to low here this morning, but we are going to continue to see light scattered snow showers throughout the day before fully clearing out this evening and overnight. We do look to remain dry in the area for the next 2 days on Wednesday and on Thursday. So there is a nor'easter that is going to be off the coast this weekend on Saturday. For this model right here, it doesn't look like we are going to be seeing any snow from this nor'easter, but for the second model, it does look like we could see just a few light snow showers, but right now, most of the heavy snow is missing us with this nor'easter, but this is always subject to change. I just want to point it out now, just to keep that in mind. Now, if you are grabbing your coffee this morning, I would be opting for the large. It is not that cold outside. We are seeing temperatures in the low 20s. We are also seeing some light snow showers. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. How would you like January 25th? I'm Gary Liberatore. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to help us all plan our day ahead. And we are looking at warmer temperatures this morning than yesterday, but how warm will we get today?
We'll probably reach the mid-20s, almost near 30, so that is pretty warm, and that's around average for this time of year. Our average high is supposed to be 28, but we haven't been reaching that at all.
Better to be average than below average.
Yes, for sure. Now let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are still seeing just a few light snow showers moving through the area. We will continue to see scattered snow showers throughout the day before they all come to an end this evening. We are looking at temperatures right now in the upper teens to mid-20s. We are down in the mid-20s down south and in the upper teens up north. So it is feeling a lot better this morning rather than waking up below zero. So we will continue to see some light snow showers today. It is going to turn pretty windy as that low pressure system passes through our area, and we will be seeing colder weather ahead, especially tomorrow and Thursday. Before today, a few light snow showers this morning. We will be clearing out by this evening and a high near 30. It also is going to be pretty windy outside, and I will be tracking when this snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Recapping our top.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with still a few snow showers in the area, and we are looking at temperatures in the lower 20s, so it is feeling pretty good outside. Let's take a look at that Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. The snow here has cleared out for the moment, and our temperatures are in the low 20s. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can kind of see that the snow showers are moving off into the east, but we are still going to continue to see scattered snow showers showers throughout the day today before it does end this evening. This is all because there is a low pressure system that is kind of sitting over New York right now, bringing in those snow showers into the area. We are also going to be seeing the wind start to pick up as this low pressure system kind of moves through our area along with the cold front. So it is going to get pretty windy today. Wind speeds around 10 to 12 miles per hour. So just keep that in mind. Our temperatures this morning are pretty warm in comparison to kind of being below zero. It is feeling a lot better outside. We're looking at Inlet at 15 degrees, Old Forge at 19, New Hartford at 24 degrees. If we do go down to the south, we have 24 degrees in Cooperstown and in West Lawrence, and 22 degrees in Edmondson and in Morris. So once again, feeling a lot better this morning than the past couple of mornings, waking up in the single digits and even below zero. So we are going to continue to see a few scattered snow showers more today, little accumulation expected. We are going to be drying out tonight for tomorrow and Thursday, and some more widespread light snow does return to the area on Friday. Going to be very similar in nature to the snow that we did see last night and that we are seeing today. So here's a look at some of our snowfall reports from our sky watchers. We are ranging between 1 and 3 inches. We have 3 inches of snow in Morris, Edmondson, and in Cooperstown, 2 inches in Westdale and Glenmore, 1.5 inches in Old Forge, and 1 inch in New Hartford and in Clinton. So we are still going to be seeing a few scattered snow showers throughout the day today before it does clear out this evening. The wind is also going to pick up as well, so it may feel a little bit colder outside than the actual temperature, which is going to be in the upper 20s for the high. The clouds do clear out tonight, allowing it to get pretty cold. We are looking at overnight lows below zero, so waking up tomorrow pretty cold once again with temperatures below zero. Our high temperature tomorrow is only going to be in the lower teens, so it is going to feel pretty cold tomorrow in comparison to today. Now for today, we are seeing some light snow showers this morning, otherwise mostly cloudy skies as it clears out with a high near 30. Overnight tonight, we are seeing lows in the negatives. We are going to be seeing low temperatures below zero, and it is going to be mostly cloudy before clearing out. Now for tomorrow, it is going to be pretty cold. We are looking at partly cloudy skies with a high just in the lower teens. Warming up a little bit for Thursday with a high in the low 20s before some light widespread snow returns on Friday with a high near 30. We are closely tracking a nor'easter that is off the coast Saturday, so we may be seeing some light snowfall from this. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. There are some dicey conditions ways across our viewing area this morning. This video was early this morning on Genesee Street here in Utica. What a beautiful sight right there. You want to make sure to give the snowplow drivers plenty of room so they can get the roads cleared. Maybe plan to leave for work a little earlier this morning and be prepared for any delays in your morning commute. As always, be mindful of others on the roadways. Former Speaker of...
Welcome back. If you are heading outside this morning, I would just be careful for some snowy spots that may cause for some slick walking conditions if you are going to be in the parking lot or sidewalk anywhere. Any snow that doesn't get cleaned up today will probably turn icy tonight and tomorrow morning as our low temperatures drop below zero, so just be careful of that. We are going to continue to see scattered snow showers today before drying out tonight for tomorrow and Thursday. Some light widespread snow does return to the area on Friday. But we are going to be gaining about 40 minutes of daylight in the morning hours within the next month. So our sun rises now at 7:22. Even next week it will be 7:16 in the morning, then 2 weeks 7:07, and a month 6:43. So we are going to be gaining a lot of daylight within this next month. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Tonight's new episode of this is 7 a.m. It's Tuesday, January 25th. I'm Gary Libitor, and meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now to get us started this morning and get us started with some balmy 20-degree temperatures after yesterday's, what, single digits, right, at this time?
Yes. Yesterday was single digits. I think even the day before it was like below zero. So it's feeling a lot better waking up this morning kind of in the low 20s.
Yeah, it's spring.
Yes, feeling a lot like spring. Let's take a look at the bus stop forecast for this morning. If you are heading out to the bus stop, temperatures are going to be in the low 20s with some light snow showers still in the area. By the afternoon, we are still looking at temperatures in the 20s, and it will be pretty windy, but the snow is starting to clear out. So for today, expect it to be windy as a cold front does move through our area with highs near 30. Overnight tonight, we will be clearing out from all those clouds and the snow, and our low temperatures will drop below zero. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks from the News Channel 2.
Back here is a look at some of the daylight we are going to be receiving within the next month in the morning. We look to gain about 40 minutes of daylight within the next month in the morning. So right now our sun rises at 7:22. In 1 month, it's going to rise before 7 at 6:43 a.m. So there is a good outlook on the daylight we are going to be receiving. So for today, we do have a high near 30. We will continue seeing scattered snow showers throughout the day. And overnight tonight, it will start to clear up. Mostly clear skies come into the area with a low below 0. I will be talking a little bit more about the snowfall totals we have already seen coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The idea of how many children...
Welcome back. We're still seeing a few snow showers in the area, but we do look to clear out here this evening. Let's take a look at our Old Forge camera. Got about 1.5 inches of new snow up in Old Forge. We did range between 1 to 3 inches of snow. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we still see a few snow showers kind of clearing out and moving out to the east this morning. We will continue to see scattered snow showers throughout the day before coming to an end this evening. So if you are heading outside this morning, be careful for some snowy spots in the area. And any snow that doesn't get cleaned up today will definitely freeze overnight tonight. So just be careful for some icy spots tomorrow morning. So we will continue to see light snow today. It is going to turn a bit windy as a cold front moves through the area. We're also going to be seeing colder weather ahead, especially for tomorrow and for Thursday. Now for the rest of the day, we will start to clear out from the snow by this evening. It will turn a little bit windy and we will see highs near 30. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. 3 fatal snowmobile crashes.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning and a few scattered snow showers still in the area. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Overcast skies here this morning, and our temperatures are in the low 20s. We are looking to rise to the mid to upper 20s for the high today. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, still seeing a few scattered snow showers kind of moving out to the east here this morning. We will continue to see scattered snow showers throughout the day today before they come to an end this evening. This is all because a low pressure system has kind of moved into our area. It is lingering over central New York, bringing in some light snow showers into the region. Once again, this snow is looking to end this evening, but it will turn pretty windy today as this cold front, along with the low pressure system, moves through our area. We did get some Skywatcher temperature reports this morning. We are ranging in the teens to the 20s, so feeling a lot better this morning in comparison to waking up in the single digits and below 0. We have 19 degrees in Old Forge, 24 degrees in New Hartford, 21 degrees in Clinton. If we do go down to the south, we have 24 in Cooperstown and in West Lawrence, and 23 degrees in Milford. So we are going to continue to see scattered snow showers throughout the day today with little accumulation. We will dry out for tomorrow and for Thursday before widespread light snow, which returns once again on Friday, very similar to the snow that we did see last night. So here's a look at some of our snowfall reports. We are ranging between 1 and 3 inches. We have 3 inches in Morris, Edmiston, and in Cooperstown, 2 inches in Westdale and Glenmore, 1.5 inches in Old Forge, and just 1 inch in New Hartford and in Clinton. So we are going to be clearing out from this snow all throughout the day today. We will continue to see scattered showers, but it will clear by this evening. We are going to be seeing high temperatures near 30, but it is going to turn a little bit windy as this low pressure system moves through, so it may feel a little bit colder than that. Now overnight tonight, we will see a decrease in clouds and our temperatures will drop pretty low, all below 0, so it is going to be pretty cold once again for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, our high temperature is only in the lower teens, so it is going to remain cold, but it is going to be mostly sunny. Now for today, we have a high near 30. We are going to be seeing a few scattered snow showers throughout the day before clearing out this evening and breezy conditions. Overnight tonight, our lows drop below 0 as the clouds continue to decrease. So for tomorrow, we are looking at highs only in the low teens, but it is going to be partly cloudy. Partly cloudy conditions remain on Thursday, warming up a little bit before some widespread light snow returns on Friday. We are also closely tracking a nor'easter that we could get some light snow from on Saturday.
Meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, we are seeing some snow falling at this hour around central New York.
Yes, we are seeing some snow right now, a few light snow showers in the area, but it is pretty warm outside in comparison to other days. Temperatures are in the low 30s. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing a few light snow showers still kind of lingering in our area. This is looking to clear out by this evening. And once again, our temperatures are pretty warm. We are looking at temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s, so it is feeling a lot better than the past couple of days, only seeing highs in the teens. So the snow will be coming to an end this evening. It is pretty windy outside as of now. This is because a cold front is moving through our area, bringing in that wind. We're also going to see colder weather ahead because of this cold front, especially for tomorrow and for Thursday. Now for today, we will reach a high near 30. We will see the snow coming to an end later on this evening, and I will be tracking out exactly when the snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A public hearing was held this
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing a few snow showers in our area here this afternoon, but temperatures have warmed up to the upper 20s and lower 30s. Let's take a look now at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are experiencing low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill, as well as a few snow showers in our area right now. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, once again, we are still seeing scattered light to moderate snowfall here in most of our areas this afternoon. This does look to clear out this evening as the low pressure system does move off the coast. But after the low pressure system moves off the coast, we will see a cold front kind of moving through our area. This is what is causing some pretty breezy conditions now, and it will be breezy tomorrow with cooler weather tomorrow with highs only in the low teens. So it is going to be pretty chilly tomorrow in comparison to today. Today, we are looking at temperatures in the 20s to 30s. We have 21 degrees in Old Forge, 25 degrees in Gray, 27 in Clinton, 33 in Mohawk, and 30 degrees in Otsego. So it is pretty warm on average for today. It is going to get a lot colder tomorrow as that cold front pushes through our area. Once again, as that cold front pushes through, it is going to turn pretty breezy today. We are already seeing wind speeds at around 10 miles per hour right now. It is going to remain pretty breezy tomorrow, so it is going to feel a lot colder tomorrow than today. The wind does look to dry down on Thursday and on Friday. So we are seeing some more snow accumulation today, probably trace to an inch of snow for the day today. But we are drying out this evening and for tomorrow. We will remain dry on Thursday before some more widespread light snow comes into the area on Friday. It is going to be very similar to the snow that we did see last night and the snow that we are seeing right now. So we are seeing a few scattered snow showers still in the area. Once again, this does look to clear out at around dinner time, maybe a little later, as the clouds clear out as well and the temperatures kind of drop to near zero for the overnight low tonight. Now for tomorrow, we are going to be pretty sunny in the area, but highs are only going to be in the lower teens because that cold front pushed through and kind of dropped the temperature behind it. We are going to get very cold tomorrow night into Thursday. Our low temperatures look to be below zero, so it is going to be very cold going into Thursday morning, but we will warm up quite a bit on Thursday. We are looking at high temperatures in the low 20s, so it is going to feel a little bit warmer on Thursday than on Wednesday. Now for today, we have a high near 30. We are still seeing some scattered snow showers in the area. A trace to an inch of accumulation is still expected for today. Overnight tonight, we do have lows around zero, but that snow will be clearing up. So for tomorrow, it is going to be pretty cold, but we will be seeing mostly sunny conditions with highs in the lower teens. Warming up a little bit on Thursday with the high in the low 20s. Some more widespread light snow can be expected on Friday, and we are closely tracking a nor'easter on Saturday. Right now, it just looks like we may be receiving some light snowfall from this. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. As the Omicron surge begins to slow. And welcome back. We begin this half hour with a look at the weather, and some very cold temperatures will be moving back into the region. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joining us now. And Hannah, you're also keeping an eye on a nor'easter, but right now doesn't appear that it'll affect us too much, right?
Yes, so all the models as of right now, today's Tuesday, it's supposed to come on Saturday, so we're still like a couple days out, but all the models right now are not really showing anything in our area. It does look to stay off the coast, but of course this could always change.
I love those models.
Yes, I love them, especially on the weekend.
Yeah.
So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing a few light to moderate snow showers still kind of lingering in our area. This is looking to come to an end this evening a little after dinner time. But it is pretty warm out today. Our temperatures are around average. We are ranging in the mid to upper 20s, even the low 30s for some areas, feeling a lot better than temperatures being the teens at this point. So the snow is going to come to an end this evening. It is turning pretty windy today. This is because that cold front is moving through, kind of leaving behind some wind in the area. We are also going to see colder weather ahead, also due to this cold front. When it moves through, we will see cooler weather tomorrow and on Thursday. Before the rest of the day, we do have a high near 30. The snow looks to come to an end here this evening, and it does look to turn a little bit windy. And I will be tracking out those cooler temperatures coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Turning now to a
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing a few scattered snow showers in the area, but if you're not seeing snow right now, probably seeing mostly cloudy and overcast skies. Let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies, and we did just see a brief snow shower here in Utica. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, still seeing a lot of light to moderate snow showers kind of lingering through the area, but this does look to come to an end around dinner time this evening, maybe a little bit after, and it will all come to an end in the overnight hours. But there is going to be a cold front that is moving through the area. This is going to bring breezy conditions for today and tomorrow, and it is going to drop the temperature tonight to near zero, and we will remain pretty cold tomorrow with our highs just in the low teens. It is feeling a lot better today, though. Our temperatures right now are kind of ranging around average. We are looking at temperatures in the 20s to 30s, 21 degrees in Old Forge, 25 degrees in Gray, 27 in Clinton, 30 in Otsego, and 33 degrees in Mohawk. So it does feel pretty warm today in comparison to days where we have only been seeing high temperatures in the teens. So we are pretty warm on average for today. It is a little breezy outside, though, as that cold front continues to approach us. It will remain breezy for the day tomorrow, but the wind does look to die down on Thursday and on Friday. So once again, we are seeing trace to an inch of accumulation of snow today. We do look to dry out this evening and do remain dry for Wednesday and for Thursday. Widespread light snow does come back into the area on Friday, very similar to the snowfall that we saw last night and today. They are going to be very light snow showers with little accumulation expected. So we are still seeing a few scattered snow showers here this afternoon. High temperatures are near 30. We do look to dry out by this evening, and overnight tonight the clouds will decrease and our temperatures will drop to near zero because of that cold front moving through. We do remain pretty cold tomorrow with highs just in the lower teens, but it will be mostly sunny. Now overnight tomorrow into Thursday, it is going to get pretty cold. We're all going to go below zero, around 10 to 12 degrees below zero. And for Thursday, we are going to warm up quite a bit. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies with highs near 20. So it is going to be a lot warmer on Thursday in comparison to tomorrow. Now for today, we have a high near 30. We are still seeing some scattered snow showers in the area, and that wind is picking up just a little bit. Overnight tonight, we have a low around zero, and we are finally going to be clearing up from the snow and the clouds. So for tomorrow, it is going to be mostly sunny with a high just in the low teens. Overnight tomorrow into Tuesday, getting pretty cold. All of our lows are below zero and warming up just a little bit more on Thursday with a high in the low 20s. Warming up even more on Friday with some widespread light snow returning, and we are closely tracking a nor'easter on Saturday that we could be seeing some light snowfall from. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Speaking of warming up,
To the forecast tonight, let's go over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We are tracking some colder weather that will be rolling into the region as we head into tonight. Because of that, we have a wind chill advisory for the Adirondacks, Herkimer and Hamilton counties, northern Herkimer County and Hamilton County for tonight and tomorrow. But the entire area should be on alert for this. We're expecting wind chills locally to drop between 10 below to 20 below zero by tomorrow morning. So while that doesn't mean a wind chill advisory, it's still going to be quite cold heading into tomorrow morning. This live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We continue to see some light snow that is moving into our area We'll continue to see some light snow over the next couple of hours as a cold front drops in from the north. Our current temperature is 22 degrees, and as we head into tonight, we're looking at decreasing clouds, and it does get cold. By tomorrow morning, temperatures fall to or below zero across our area. So we're tracking a very cold Wednesday, but then the weather starts to warm up heading into the weekend. We're also keeping an eye on the coast for the weekend. Look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
Okay, thank you very much, Bill.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track light snow that is moving through the region. Some slippery roads, too, because of this snow. This is a live look at our CAV tower cam as we overlook the city of Utica. Again, we are tracking snowfall across our area. This is coming from some lake effect snow and an Arctic front. That is, they're combining together here to bring us this accumulation continuing into this evening. Again, a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see the bands coming off of the lake, extending their way into parts of the Mohawk Valley and southern valleys. Because of the nature of this, it's the type of snow that picks up very quickly, lasts for a few minutes, and then conditions improve with light accumulations. General half an inch of accumulation is expected from here on out across most areas. As the front moves to the south, the weather does look to clear out heading into tonight. Dolgeville 22 degrees, Inlet 16, Louville 21, Rome 23, across southern valleys, Scanavis 22, Sherburne 24, and Hamilton checks in with 19 degrees. If you're going to get in that walk, do it tonight. Temperatures will be in the teens. It's cold, but it will be frigid tonight, and I think it's a little too cold to go for a walk tomorrow. Tonight's featured dog is Brooklyn, and if you want to be part of this, head to Facebook. Go to Bill's Buddies. You'll see a whole collection of dog photos that will be used throughout this segment of the newscast. The radar and satellite image shows a cold front dropping in from the north, clearing skies on the other side of Lake Ontario. This will be working its way south heading into tonight. So we do see clearing skies overnight and frigid conditions. Temperatures tomorrow morning below zero in many areas. About 5 to 10 below should be the average for most spots. With the wind chill, it'll be 10 to 20 below. A cold day tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the low teens in the afternoon with sunshine. And wind chills will be near zero throughout the day. We're 10 below tomorrow night. And then Thursday, we start to turn the corner. Temperatures will warm up. We'll see sunshine and high temperatures back into the low 20s. We're continuing to follow the development of a nor'easter on Saturday, and the brunt of this storm still looks to be east of our area. Now, things could still change between now and Saturday. At the moment, the heaviest snow is falling 250 miles to our east, so things would have to change a lot before we would get into the big snow. But if it does turn more to the west, there will be some accumulating snow here on Saturday again. We'll continue to keep you posted as we get closer to the event. Again, a lot can still change between now and then. Decreasing clouds tonight, low temperature of 1 below zero. Sunshine tomorrow, and it's a cold day. Temperatures will be in the teens. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Into the 20s as we head into Thursday. Friday, some light snow, 26. Again, we're watching Saturday with potential of some snowfall. Cold weather Sunday. Start to warm up. Temperatures in the 30s. As we look ahead to Tuesday, I don't remember the last time I started the temperature with a 3. It's been a while.
It has been a while. All right, Bill, thank you. The SAT is Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Tracking some light snow tonight as an Arctic front drops in from the north. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The snow, again, generally light, but enough to make things slippery. Bands continue to work their way off of Lake Ontario, especially across western Oneida County. And we're also seeing some light snow along the Route 20 corridor. Again, this is heading south, and it will be replaced by some very cold weather tonight. Snowfall totals for the season. This is for the city of Utica. So from the very beginning of winter to where we stand now, 22.4 inches of snow has fallen. The average on today's date, 51.2 inches. We are continuing to run well below average in terms of snowfall. We expect the weather patterns to kind of change. We've been in this very cold weather pattern for the past couple of weeks, but looking ahead, there are some signs that the weather patterns start to turn back to some more seasonable temperatures back into the 30s here beginning next week. This evening, light snow develops. Again, continues. We're looking at temperatures falling into the teens. It gets very cold here as we head into tonight. We're looking at overnight lows, especially as we head into Wednesday. And forecasts coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Today is a national
New
holiday.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track some snow showers moving across central New York as a cold front drops in from the north. Let's take a live look outside. This is our CAB tower cam overlooking the city of Utica. We've been seeing some scattered snow showers throughout the day. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And for the most part, this is generally snow showers, but occasionally we do see a burst of snow. And I want to focus in on one of those areas. Across western Oneida County, the radar is detecting a burst of snow moving across Vernon right now, heading towards Kirkland at 6:20. And if this holds together, it will likely pass just south of Utica. Poor visibility, whiteouts, in fact, are possible in this. But again, this is a very small area of snow, so it doesn't last for long. But that's been the nature of these snow showers throughout the course of today. This snow, by the way, will be heading to the south, and we're not expecting much additional accumulation going forward. I've got temperatures, I've got snowfall reports from our Skywatchers kind of mixed together here. Gray picking up 5 inches of snow over the past 24 hours. Same thing in Barneveld. 2 inches of snowfall in New Hartford. Clinton with a temperature of 20 degrees. Boonville 19. Across Southern Valleys, Richfield picking up 3.5 inches of snow over the past 24 hours. Sequoia with 1.1 inches. Jeff and Mohawk with 23 degrees. And Mark in Milford checks in with 19. This is snow today, part of a cold front dropping in from the north. We are seeing some lake effect with it too. As the front heads to the south, skies do clear out. On the other side of this front, it is cold. We're looking at frigid conditions tonight as well as early tomorrow. Overnight lows drop to near or below zero across the area. So a very cold start to the day tomorrow. The wind chill gets down to about 10 to 20 below. So definitely take precautions here. It's not as cold as the most recent cold snaps, but it's cold enough to, again, have a pretty high impact on the day. Tomorrow, we're looking at sunshine. Temperatures will climb into the teens. So again, a very cold afternoon. We'll see clear skies tomorrow night. Temperatures double digits below zero by between about 10 to 15 below. And then Thursday, we start to turn the corner. That's been the theme. And where so far this January, we do get the cold, but it's been not lasting for very long. And this next wave is about 24 hours. We're back into the 20s with some sunshine as we head into Thursday. Wanted to take a look at the forecast heading into the weekend. We've been getting a lot of information on the potential of a nor'easter developing, which is a high likelihood at this point for Saturday. The track of this storm is and remains to our east. We're going to continue to follow this very closely because there's a lot of uncertainty here. The storm could go to the west and would bring us more in the way of snow on Saturday, or it could continue to go to the east and completely miss our area. So it's just something we'll be watching closely. If you are traveling to the east towards New England, there's a much higher chance that this is going to have a significant impact. So again, we'll continue to keep you posted. Decrease in clouds tonight, 1 below zero. Tomorrow, a cold day. Temperatures climb into the teens. The wind chill will be near zero throughout the afternoon, but we do expect sunshine throughout the entire day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast again below zero again tomorrow night. 25 for the high on Thursday. Light snow Friday. We'll be keeping an eye on Saturday for the possibility of some light snow. Sunday, colder 18. Temperatures start to turn the corner. Some signals of warmer temperatures, potentially in the 30s again as we look ahead to next Tuesday. We'll be right back.
The appellate court has granted a stay on a downstate Supreme Court judge's ruling that New York State overstepped its authority.
For first look at the forecast at 6, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We're tracking colder weather as we head into tonight. Temperatures will be below zero as we head into tomorrow morning, and because of that, we do have wind chill advisories in effect for northern Herkimer and Hamilton County. I want all of us to be on guard for the cold, though, just because you're not under that advisory. We're just below, or I should say above the threshold for wind chills tonight for the advisory, thinking 10 to 20 below. So it's going to be cold tomorrow morning as you're heading out to work or school, and definitely plan on that. Dress nice and warm. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We've been tracking scattered snow showers throughout the course of the day. We do have a burst of snow moving just south of the New York State Thruway, producing some poor visibility. It's small, but it is packing a little punch, moving towards Kirkland, and this should be passing south of Utica. Quick half an inch of snow is possible over the next couple of hours before that comes to an end. Our current temperature is 21 degrees. As the cold front moves through, temperatures will fall. The light snow comes to an end over the next couple of hours. Again, tracking some cold weather as we head into Wednesday. We're also looking ahead to the weekend. We've got a nor'easter. We're letting you know the latest track on that. That's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. A number of firefighters.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking an Arctic front moving through the region tonight. This is going to bring a big drop in the temperature as we head into tomorrow morning. Live look at our Cavity Tower cam. We've been seeing some snow, some light snow throughout the day. Occasionally, the snow does come down at a steadier, heavier clip, and that's what we're seeing out there on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Notice that most of the area isn't seeing a whole lot of activity, but when we look at this closely, we can see a burst of snow in a couple of areas, one of them being across central and southern Oneida County. This small burst of snow is going to be moving towards Sequoia at 6:33, Norwich Corners at 6:39, and Gulf at 6:46. Again, a drop in visibility. Not much snow accumulation with this as it's relatively small, but again, it could impact driving. Sky watchers across the area, we've got temperatures, we've got snowfall accumulations mixed together here. Barneveld picking up 5 inches of snow in the past 24 hours. Gray, 5 inches of snow. New Hartford, 2 inches of snow. Edmonston with a temperature of 19 degrees. Worcester, 23. And Harry Onontego checks in with 19 degrees. This front is dropping in from the north. On the other side of it, skies are clearing out on the north side of Lake Ontario. This will be moving in tonight, and this will push the snow to the south, so we're not expecting much more additional accumulation. It gets cold tonight. We're below zero by tomorrow morning. With the wind chill, it will feel like 10 to 20 below zero, so dress nice and warm if you're heading out. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures climb into the teens. We'll see plenty of sunshine, but again, just a cold day. We're below zero tomorrow night, between about 10 to 15 below zero by Thursday morning. Thursday, we start to turn around. Temperatures will warm up. We'll climb into the low 20s with sunshine giving way to cloud cover as we head into the afternoon. We're keeping an eye on Saturday. We've been watching this very closely. The sign of a nor'easter working its way up the coast for Saturday afternoon. The information continues to keep this storm to our east, the highest impact closer to New England, but we're still far out into the future here. We've done this before. We know that a lot can still change, so we just want to let you know we need to watch this. It could easily go to the east and miss us, but it could also turn to the west. There's no way of knowing that right now, but it is something we'll be watching very closely. We'll get a better idea of how this is going to be playing out over the next couple of days, and again, we'll continue to keep you posted. We are watching this really closely. Tonight, down to 1 below zero, decreasing clouds. Tomorrow, sunshine. Temperatures will climb into the teens. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine on Thursday, a high of 25. We are watching for some light snow on Friday. That's not related to the coastal system, 26. On Saturday, again, we'll be watching that day for some light snow. Temperatures in the teens. Sunday, looking dry. We warm up. That's not a typo. How about 34 for the high next Tuesday? We'll be right back.
Forecast, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Carter. It's going to be cold tonight, Bill.
Yeah, tracking some very cold weather. We start out tomorrow morning near or below zero in most areas, thinking the overnight lows are about 0 to 5 below. In the North Country, the Adirondacks, with some wind, there's a wind chill advisory, but I want to stress that all of us will be dealing with the cold tonight. Just because you're not under an advisory doesn't mean you shouldn't bundle up as you're heading out the door tomorrow. Again, wind chills across our entire area, 10 to 20 below zero. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing a cold front rolling through the area, producing some lake effect snow. Some slippery roadways will continue into this evening, but the snow does come to an end. Our current temperature is 18 degrees. Weather headlines will continue to drop tonight. Again, we start out near or below zero. It's sunny, but it is cold for Wednesday. We're also looking ahead to the weekend. The weather starts to warm up, but we're also tracking the possibility of some snow. Nor'easter working its way up the coast for Saturday. 1 below zero tonight. Again, tracking some warmer weather ahead too. look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. We're waiting to hear back.
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam. We're looking over the city of Utica. Cold air is starting to drain in tonight. It is going to be a frigid start to the day tomorrow with most areas falling below zero. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're still seeing leftover snow showers as this cold air drains in from the north. It is instigating the lakes, producing some lake of fluff. Very fluffy snow tonight. A quick inch of accumulation over the past couple of hours. And again, looking closer at this, you can see that the snow bands are gradually starting to weaken as they drop to the south. The radar and satellite image shows, again, the track of the snow pushing south as cold air works in from the north. Skies will be clearing out on the other side of this front. Again, we are talking about temperatures that will be a lot colder tomorrow compared to today. We can see this playing out on the Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Again, dry air builds in from the north, skies clear out tonight, and we start out tomorrow morning with temperatures near or below zero. 10 below in Boonville, 8 below in Inlet, 6 below in Cooperstown. Temperatures do warm up as we head into tomorrow, but not very much. Sunshine temperatures will be in the teens. Wind chill values will be near zero throughout most of the day. Tomorrow night, the weather remains clear. That's going to help overnight lows drop between 5 to 15 below zero, so even colder tomorrow night. And then Thursday, we do start to turn the corner. Sunshine and warmer temperatures. We're looking at highs in the low to mid-20s. I'm keeping an eye on the weekend. We're expecting an area of low pressure to develop along the Atlantic Ocean and track to the north. This is a nor'easter. In front of you are two different computer models showing some consistency in terms of developing a storm, but some question marks as to where it tracks. One model is a little bit closer compared to the other, and with this still being several days away, we have to watch this closely, and we will watch this closely because we are, with this being Tuesday and we're looking ahead to Saturday, there's still a lot of things that can change between now and then. If this storm heads to the east, it completely misses us, but if it does track to the west, we would be talking about some accumulating snow. The heaviest snow at this point looks to fall 200 to 250 miles to our east, so it would have to be a major change to the west to have any significant effects on our forecast, but you never know. We're still in that margin of error as we look ahead. Tonight, down to 1 degree below zero, decreasing clouds. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, temperatures climb into the teens. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast into the 20s on Thursday, just a couple of light snow showers Friday, 26. Again, we're watching Saturday for the potential of some snow. Colder, drier weather to follow on Sunday, and then we start to warm up again. Mid-20s Monday, temperatures in the mid-30s. Looking ahead to next Tuesday. We'll be right back.
Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Bundle up. Cold tonight.
That's right, Jason. It is going to be cold tonight. Many areas will fall near or below zero. Certainly some cold weather as the kids head out to school tomorrow. Let's take a look at the wind chill map here. We have a wind chill advisory for the Adirondacks, but I want to just stress that all of us are looking at cold wind chills tonight, 10 to 20 below zero. Technically, that's just below the threshold for advisories, but still, it is going to be a cold night. You're going to want to dress appropriately heading out the door tomorrow. Our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar shows some light snow that continues. We've been seeing some lake effect snow this evening, but as a cold front continues to push its way south, cold, dry air will continue to build in from the north. Our current temperature is 13 degrees, and we continue to take that dive tonight. We're down to 1 below zero overnight with decreasing clouds. A cold day tomorrow, but then we start to warm up. We're taking a look at the trend in temperature and also look at a nor'easter as we head into Saturday. We'll let you know where that's headed, and it's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are taking a live look outside. This is our CAVV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Some frigid air is on the way from the north, and we're seeing the snow from earlier today being pushed to the south and starting to finally fall apart. We did get some lake effect snow here this evening and fluffy inch of accumulation in a good portion of the area. So the roads will be slippery heading into tomorrow morning. Heading out the door tomorrow, if you have to work outdoors, dress in layers, take breaks. We're looking at temperatures in the teens. It will be dry, but it will be cold. And that wind chill will stay near or below zero throughout the day. This is a look at the air temperature, the top numbers here compared to the wind chill, the bottom numbers. And as you can see, it's just going to be a very cold day all throughout. We start out in the single digits to below zero, and we're only climbing into the teens. But with the wind chill, with the feels like temperature, it'll be close to zero throughout the entire day. Looking at, again, some snow earlier this evening and an Arctic front moving through the area now, which means skies will be clearing out heading into tonight as the snow continues to move out. Clearing skies overnight, temperatures drop below zero by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, between 0 to 10 below across most of the area. Again, just a cold day tomorrow with temperatures in the teens. By 5 p.m., 10 degrees in Utica, 9 in Herkimer. Tomorrow night, I think we're about 5 to 15 degrees below zero, so even colder tomorrow night. And then we will start to turn the corner on Thursday. A south wind kicking in, temperatures will climb into the 20s with plenty of sunshine. We've been watching Saturday closely. Our computer models are suggesting that a nor'easter develops and moves up the coast. There's been consistency with that for the past couple of days. The track is keeping it to the east for now. But we have to watch this closely because it's Tuesday, and in the world of weather forecasting, this might as well be 100 years away in the sense of trying to pin down this track. It could easily turn to the west, which means we would be seeing more in the way of snow. If it goes to the east, it completely misses us. And both solutions are equally possible. Again, it's something we're going to continue to watch very closely. Decreasing clouds tonight, down to 1 below zero tomorrow. Sunshine, a cold afternoon, a high of 14. Again, feeling closer to zero with the wind. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. After a cold start to Thursday, temperatures will be in the mid-20s. Some light snow here Friday, just a couple of flurries here, 26. Again, watching Saturday for some snow. Cold weather Sunday, temperatures warm up pretty quickly. We're in the mid-20s on Monday and mid-30s. Looking ahead to next Tuesday. We'll be right back.